Hi guys, Lucas Walters back, part owner of Copper Blue Enterprises. I haven't seen you guys in a while, which I apologize. I haven't been making videos here. I've been actually doing a lot of studying, working, looking for that work at home opportunity, so to speak. You know that we do the social networking, made a book with the social networking and so on and so forth. I am actually working with another company now that I had actually stumbled across when I was looking for insurance. Me as a single guy, self-employed, I don't have insurance. It's very expensive for me to get medical, dental, vision, and so on and so forth. So I did a lot of studying, a lot of working on what I'm working with at this moment. And I actually did find a healthcare discount program. It's not an insurance, it's actually discounts with the #1 company in the United States that's doing that. They've been around since 1992, so they actually have a lot of testimonials and things like that as far as to back them up. I've talked to many people in this company and also just to make sure that everything's legit. As you know, in the last couple years, my uncle and I, the business owners of Copper Blue Enterprises, have looked into the different business opportunities of working at home and things like that. Obviously, we're entrepreneurs and we want to be working at home. We want to be making our own hours, and we want to, actually work and make the money that we deserve. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to show you a couple different things that we had purchased in the last couple of years, up to a couple of $1,000s that we had spent. We actually fell for the trap of all the companies, so to speak, that you can work from home and actually make a living at. So a couple of things that I've actually bought. These are a couple of books for the website business, Dreamweaver, things like that. I don't want to get into the names too much. I don't want to be bad-mouthing anybody, but I just want to show you some of the things and some of the products that we've had. Everything I'm going to show you is actually books that I printed out, put into binders to make it easier to kind of keep track of where I was and where I was learning everything. Just keep in mind, I want to show you this because a lot of people on the internet are looking for work-at-home jobs, and they're just spending so much money and getting so burnt out about it. And I was there with them. This is really something that you can do at home, but you just have to find the right company to work with. This is another binder here that we actually have a full book of. I have another book right here. This is another one. I don't even know what this one is. Work from home, part-time, full-time. Yeah, okay. So this one here, what is this? Easiest way to make quick cash online. It goes on and on just like that. I mean, from data entry to emails to surveys, I've tried it all. I've tried every single thing, and the most thing that ever happened is I'm making money for somebody else, and that's basically what's going to happen. Unless you find a good company that can help you out and actually stand by their product and actually have good things to say, good testimonials, and have been around for a while. This is another one having something to do with classifieds. I don't know. This one here. I actually stopped putting them in binders now. I have this one. This is 2 books. I have 1, 2, another 100 pages. I have another one, Science of Getting Rich, online, instant profit machines. Another one, work at home. All these different things. It's just really sad to me that the only way they're making that money is if people like me buy it. So just to let you, that was my little introduction. I wanted to show you what types of stuff I've been going through in the last 2 years. Now I want to introduce you to a different company that I'm working with. I'm here in the Appleton, Wisconsin Fox Valley area. I live right here in Menasha. So what is going on is this company, again, is they started in 1992 with a couple twin brothers down in Dallas, Texas. And for the last 4 years, they've actually been down in the Milwaukee area. I'm working with my national sales director right now to get independent business owners here in the Valley area. There's tons of providers that we have, a couple pages worth of dental, vision, chiropractors, things like that. But basically, nobody is aware of this yet. So we need to get this out. And if I'm looking for people like you, I need people that are entrepreneurs. I need people that will work. We'll talk to people. Not even so much selling. I've been in sales for 12 years. This isn't even selling anything. This is a product that you use. You become a product of your product. So it's really exciting. For that being said, the cheapest one that we have available, which is very affordable and it's wonderful, the Dental Plus program they call it. You actually get vision, you get dental, you get chiropractor, and you get prescriptions. It's $19.95 a month for the full family, and that's up to 20 people in your household. And what that actually, just to give you an example, I'm going to read a couple examples here. For dental exams, initial oral exam is usually fees up to $118, okay? With a MaraPlan, with that healthcare discount that you're paying, the $19.95 every month, you're going to get it's going to be a $37 bill instead of the $118. So that's a 69% savings, okay? X-rays, intraoral, that's usually $162. They're all the way down up to 60% off on those. It's $65 out of your pocket. These are just examples for people that have high deductibles on their insurance or don't have insurance like myself. I didn't have it. Now I do. There's a lot of different programs that we have. This is just a few examples. Fillings, for example, $174 without the MaraPlan discount, $70 with it. And the best one that I've found for families, single moms, things like that, for your children that need the braces, very important. Our braces right here, $5,000 for a child under the age of 19, okay, for braces. And that's without any healthcare discounts, without a MaraPlan. And with the MaraPlan, it's $2,100. That's 58% off of your actual braces for your child, okay? So even if you did have the insurance on there, it's not going to help you with this in this scenario. But just to give you an example of the dental, okay, and you also get the vision, the chiropractic, and the prescriptions. So with the prescriptions, you can get up to 80% off. Everything else is up to 80% off. So you need to contact me right away. And if this is something that you or your friends, not even necessarily that you can use, but we need to get the word out as far as word of mouth, okay? And I'm taking the time to do this right now to try to help everybody out. I'm the only person doing this in the Fox Valley area right now. There's a few ads here and there from other people that are in the business, but we really need to get this out to the public and get this going, get everybody familiar with it. So with that being said, I'm going to let you go at this point. I'm going to have my website and my phone number right here on the bottom. Otherwise, you can add me right on Facebook also. All right, so thank you for taking a couple minutes and chatting with me. I'll be on more talking about our different plans that we have, Platinum Plus, identity theft, child IDing, and things like that, okay? So just keep in mind, $19.95 a month, and then your whole family's covered, okay? So contact me right away if you got any other questions, or actually do the referral thing, let other people know that you have, okay? So have a good day, and we'll talk to you real soon.